We're carrying out a few finishing touches to Rhys's FK8 today. If you like carbon fibre, you might want to stick around. As I mentioned, we've got a few parts to fit to the front end of Rhys's car today. You can see that we've already got the J splitter along with the side garnishes and the front grille, but we're missing the carbon fibre headlight extensions. We get those, we get them unpacked and get them fitted to the car. But whilst the bumper's off, we've also got parking sensor rings to fit back inside the grilles here. We're going to be using Facelift parking sensor rings as they allow us to refit the parking sensor on a pre-facelift model into the J's front grille and look quite nice and neat. While Rhys dropped his car off with us, he's asked us to do a couple other little bits to the car. First off, to replace the Venturi air filter inside the airbox, but secondly, inside the car is to fit a Acuity short shifter. Obviously you can see already that the car is pretty filthy, so before it gets any further into the workshop and we start any work on it, we're going to go back outside, give it a quick wash and get it ready to have the bumper taken off. So that wasn't too much fun washing the car outside in the rain, but nevertheless it's clean now and ready for us to start taking the front bumper off. So we'll make a start on getting the grille extensions fitted and then move our way down to the parking sensor rings. Once that's all done, we'll get the front end back together and move our way to the inside where we'll get on with the Acuity shifter. Parking sensor rings are in now and it's quite a relatively straightforward job. It's obviously soft metal that we can just trim it away quite nicely, but obviously it completes the parking sensors being in the front bumper now, which means that we have no lights back on the dashboard and the car should be reacting exactly how it was from factory, with obviously the J's grilles in place and the parking sensors all fitted up nicely. We're all finished up on the car now, so we've got the parking sensors fitted and everything working as it should do with no lights on the dash. The carbon grille has been finished off with the grille extensions, which when the carbon's all together now really sort of brings it to life. You can see the carbon popping against the black paintwork, whereas before, where we had black eyelids on it, it sort of lost slightly, it sort of broke the lines up. But now, obviously the carbon grille and the carbon splitter, it's all sort of come together quite nicely. In the inside, we've got the Acuity shifter fitted now, so I'm just going to go out for a quick road test around the block, make sure it's selecting all the gears as it should do, and then get the car ready to hand back to the customer who's on his way. If you've enjoyed today's video and you want to see more from us, please give it a like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave us a comment below.